Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Delta Force mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase or decrease your field of view. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Delta Force game on your device, and once you have logged in using your credentials or your social accounts, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner. You will now be taken into the settings page. Now from this page, in order to change your field of view, just scroll all the way down from the basic menu until you see the perspective option. Now from this page, if you increase the slider, then your field of view will increase and you will be able to see until a wider range to detect more enemies. If you decrease this, your field of view will decrease as well and the visible part within the battlefield will become less. So choose a desirable value that you would want by using this slider, and once you are done, you can simply go back and your settings will be saved. Now you may go into your match and check how your current field of view feels and looks. You can change this at any point of time by going back into the basic settings and then changing your perspective once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to increase or decrease your field of view on the Delta Force game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.